morning. Happy New Year. Happy New Year from Kyoto. Oh, malamig ba? Parang Baguio lang.
Ready?
Kyoto Station in New Year's. Early morning New Year. Kyoto Station.
Sakit na ng bibig ko.
You want to go 6-7 line?
We're gonna go to 32.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the 32 Sagano Sun In Line going to Arashiyama. Ano to, football?
What number?
32.
Here, 32.
On the left. Kuya, huwag ka na muna.
Hello! Nasaan tayo, kuya?
I don't know.
We're gonna go to
The bamboo forest?
Bamboo Forest.
Rainforest, I think.
No, it's a
Ayun,
bamboo
ayun, yung
forest.
eh.
So, naglalakad
Tapos
lang
aakyat tayo.
kami ngayon. Anong oras na? Halos magsa-7 na, pero
7 na, napakadilim pa rin.
napakadilim pa rin.
Parang it's
Nung
like,
tingnan nyo.
parang ano eh. Parang 5 a.m. sa Pilipinas.
Yeah. Yan, mga lamig na lamig sila kahit ang dami ng layer ng pinatong namin kahit may heat pack na sobra. Ang sakit. We're here. Hindi ka ba natutuwa, Gab? Hindi ka natutuwa? Ang ganda, oh.
Ano tao? Ang ganda nung ano, yung color ng phone. Anong ginawa mo?
Ano yun? Ah, meron palang mga ano dito.
Ba?
Cemetery?
Ayan yung ano, yung kay Tenryuji.
Cemetery?
Tenryuji. Ah,
Wala naman tayo mapapicture ano ganito.
Ah.
Yung nakalagay ano. Ano? Right.
Night and early morning are dangerous. They have... nandito malapit yung bahay ni Tanjiro, di ba? Angry?
Instead of temples or attractions.
Ano sabi? Pagpapasok tayo, sasaksak ko yung cellphone mo.
You try to blow. Sige na ba, no? Hindi, ikaw tayo mo. Yeah. Oh. Either you go up or you go down. Later we can go down. Just hold on the ano.
Kuya mo na.
Si Kuya na lang magpasok, tapos si Gabe na lang pipindot.
Ikaw na lang pipindot, Gabe. Mamaya. Baba mo muna. Sabihin na pag pwede na pindot.
Now.
No, not yet. Check mo muna.
Oh.
Are you 150? Are you 150? Oh, now we're 150. Wala na. Is it cold? No.
Let's put that in the...
You can drink that na.
I'm sorry.
It's cute ba? Yummy. 9 pieces lang in order ba? 8.10 yung isa eh.
Ito magkano?
460.
muna. Can I have? Is this only your order?
Kaso ang mahal pa lang. 2,000.
8.10. Ito ba meron yun sa labas? Stationery. Katabi na.
Kaya ng Family Mart mo. Ito, gusto mo. Subi. Ang tanong, ayun, meron. Ilan? For tomorrow, ayaw mo? For tomorrow.
Ikaw wala.
Rice. Wala na silang rice. Hindi na lang. Ano, pasta? Ayoko pasta. Ayan.
Oh, ano dito?
Dahil sarado na naman ang drugstore. Ay, ang
Ayan.
grocery
Grocery store.
store. Ito na naman kami nauwi. At nabuhay. Ito na yung gustong mo. Spam.
Spam subi. Ayoko. Sige ba, hindi natin susubuan?
Subuan. We're gonna try the viral, pudding. Do you know this one? Nakapanood mo din to? Hindi.
It's on TikTok. I don't know. It's not spreading onto YouTube yet.
Oh.
Can I
What's
try?
that?
Try.
What's that?
Pudding.
Can
I
I
haven't
taste?
tried pudding in
Oo, ang galawin kuya, babaksak.
Can
I
I
haven't tried
taste?
Yeah,
for a long
Is
time.
it a juice?
It's pudding, you.
No, it's pudding. Wait lang.
Is
Can I
pudding
try?
bawal?
Your milk agonizing.
Is pudding jelly?
Yeah.
It has like a
Oh.
slimy. No, it has like a
drink
slimy
water,
milk
drink water.
taste.
Nasuka. Eh, kay kuya, inom ka. Stop it,
Try,
Gabe.
try.
Stop it. Wala tayong paninis dito.
Try.
It's good.
Gee,
It's good, Gabe.
this is like
It's not jelly. You like it, kuya? Sarap kaya.
It's lime flavored. It's like
It's wiggly. Kala ko parang meron siyang ano.
Daddy, try it.
Sarap. Sobrang creamy. No? Sarap. Sobrang creamy.
Thanks.
Luwa siya tayo. Kaso milk. Dito ka. Dito ka. Sarap, no? Sarap, no?
Sarap.
Bakit
Pero-
tayo give?
Last na, baka ma-CR ka na.
Oo, siguro agad yun.
Yun yung purpose nun, di ba?
Regular naman ako.
Sorry na, ako lang kasi yung ano,
Kaya lang kasi hindi regular.
mga probi lang.
Nagsakas kasi siguro.
Mga probi na ano.
I don't like it. Me and you like it. And
Kasi
that...
mahilig tayo sa milk, tayo pa parehas eh. Oh,
Ano
mahilig,
ko? Ikaw, sige.
mahilig tayo sa milk. Kaso, tayong dalawa yung lang pa. Di ba?
I love that.
Ano, laging,
Uy.
laging nadadapa. No.
Yeah. I do like this to save myself.
Yummy. Yummy. We're gonna try this, the viral ano. Ano tawag dito? Egg sandwich and then the pamichiki.
Oh,
Chiki sando. May sando yun, pang sando.
Nakalagay lang dito pamichiki. Pamichiki. Ba't may utot? Go try. Ito pala. Yung step pala paano i-open. Maganda nga.
Ay, sorry.
Ba't nakita ka ba?
Oo. Blurred mo na. Blurred.
Ba't ganun?
Oh, may
Oh,
utot.
buo pa ba to?
Oo.
Oh,
Eh, kasi itlog eh.
tapos to. Oops!
Oo,
Yay, baba!
Layo ka, layo ka.
2. And then 3. Wala kasi ganito sa Pilipinas eh. Puro kasi flood control. Tapos, okay. Since malaki naman tong si pamichiki, hatiin natin. Tama ba? Hinahati to. Okay.
Yung iba, nilalagay buo.
Ayoko. Hindi naman tayo greedy.
Para yung flight control.
Hindi naman tayo greedy pero yung isa, malaki. Mali na lang iwasabi kasi ganun. Ano ba yan? Ibahin na lang natin pag ano. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, ay magpakuha. Yan. Open daw natin to. Tapos ipapalaman mo ngayon siya. Actually, busog na ako eh. Wait nga, ayaw mahiwa. Hindi, ayaw mo ba dito?
Eh, wala akong damit eh.
Beo, palaman mo sa'yo ito isa.
Nakutusan pa nga ako.
Ang hirap na ako dito eh.
Bino ka mo?
Ang alin? Yan! Ay, baliktad. Ba? Yan!
Ay, po.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ang hirap eh. Tikman na natin siya.
I just watched my room do damage. If I'm like near them, they get like sliced. Wait, that is so cool. Okay, I can fight the Gorilla King now. You know, I think the Gorilla King might be a little bit easy. I'm gonna use the fist mode and just like throw these at him. This is insane, dude. There we go. Wait, what? Why does that give so much XP? Also, how am I not leveling up? Can I level up?
Lumingit
please?
na ng tinapay na.
Okay, I should just need to kill 4 gorillas and then I can go to the next island.
Para maalat itlog.
Okay, there we go. Wait, Middletown is so festive. Okay, now I can kill these pirates. I think for now, the best way to kill them is still gonna be just using the dagger.
Ang sarap pa rin yung egg sandwich ko, no?
Damage, I think it
Oh,
would be the
naman.
fastest way. I
Ang
should
sarap,
be
no?
able to use the dagger
Sarap pa rin yung egg sandwich ko eh.
And then I can use the
Hindi
fist.
ko mag-alaga ng itlog.
One kind of annoying thing about these though is you have to be looking like right at them. for it to
Nililimliman
work.
ko eh.
It just like doesn't work. You have to like stare at it. Okay, I don't know how this happened, but they like broke.
Yung masarap?
They broke the XP bar. So even though it looks like I should be leveling up, I just am not. Okay, there. I can kill the brutes now. The mastery requirements on this fruit are so high.
Actually, natutuwa ko nung ano.
Quite a bit. There are some fruits that are good for grinding at the start, like dragon.
Natuto ako nung recipe ng egg sandwich. May na-search lang ako online ng galing din sa ano, Japanese.
People are lying to me. Wait, I literally can just kill one pirate. Okay, there we go.
Sugar mo.
You can't even fight this shit at level 50. Am I stupid? Okay,
Mas
now
masarap
I can
yun.
I think this would be pretty easy. I can use the fist mode.
Hindi talaga ganun to. Hindi ka talaga ganun.
Wait, you literally just can't do anything if I sit on the roof and use my M1. Okay, he's dead. I think I
Fire
just have to kill 4
egg
pirates
sandwich.
and then I can go to the next island. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go roll a fruit because I can do that. I'm
Typical
getting
lang,
the
okay
fruit
na.
find over a million to get race V3 anyway.
Bibili ka pa
So I
ulit?
should go to 30.
Ito?
Okay, I'm making a
Hindi
move.
na.
You're gonna give me better luck.
At least na-try ko na kung ano lasa.
Oh, what the heck? Why
Punta
is it
ko
like
dito
this?
dumabog.
Okay, I got
Nitong
sick.
egg sandwich.
Why did it rework it twice? Okay, well, I can go to the desert now. Okay, I think I'm gonna
Pwede naman
like,
sa
have to use
charger.
this mode here because there's no
Wag.
trees for me to like slice. Unless I can slice these buildings, but it doesn't seem to work. So, bro, these desert
It's
babies
egg
are so
sandwich.
Because like they just like go behind the.
But I
building.
don't want egg.
Like, I don't know where it is. If you're enjoying
Try
this
it.
video so far, please make sure to like the video and subscribe.
Busog ka na?
because I'm literally not
Ba
gonna
yan?
be sleeping until this video is done. So.